Lots of women, when they first come for a consultation and we tell them that they need an ultrasound scan, they step into this room, they see all these big machines, they're extremely scared. And when especially early pregnancy and gynecological scans, we advise a vaginal ultrasound, they're even more terrified. This video is to give you information about what to expect when you're having a scan and to make you feel more comfortable about it so that you don't end up feeling terrified of going to your doctor. I'm Dr. Padmaja from Padmaja Clinic, Vijayawada, and I have been practicing in the field of OB/GYN with a special interest in reproductive medicine ultrasound for the past 25 years. The first thing that is done when we are starting your ultrasound is, if it is a gynecological, preferably we do a transvaginal ultrasound. We expect you to empty your urinary bladder. The reason for that is, when you look at the organs, there is the urinary bladder, there is the vagina, there is the pathway through which the motion passes. And if the urinary bladder is extremely full all over the pelvis, we are going to be only seeing your urinary bladder. So even if you do not feel like passing urine, it is always advisable to empty your bladder. In an ultrasound, the basic principle is that we have transducer and we have piezoelectric crystals inside which send in sound waves. Those sound waves hit different organs and they bounce back. When they bounce back, this transducer picks it up and gives it in the form of a picture on our monitor. The first 3 months of pregnancy, since the baby is very small and we need information, what we do is a transvaginal ultrasound. For an ultrasound wave to pass through, it cannot pass through air. We need a sort of liquid or semi-solid medium. So we use a condom which is used different for every person, an ultrasound jelly. This is applied onto the transducer, and this transducer is gently inserted through the vagina, which is a natural orifice, till we come close to the uterus and we can see. When we are seeing, because we are close to the uterus, we can have a look at the uterus, the lining. We also look at the urinary bladder, the pathway in. We also are very close to the tubes and the ovary and the whatever is there in the pelvic organs. Especially in women who are having lower abdomen pain, we don't know what is causing them the hurt. So when we are having an ultrasound, we gently move it around to see and touch every organ and move every organ. So we know which organ is causing the hurt. Ultrasound waves are totally safe because they are not like X-ray, they do not cause damage. And we have been using this technology of ultrasound almost for the past 50 to 60 years very frequently, and there has been no reported abnormality for the baby with ultrasound waves. We need to do scans more frequently in people who are having high risk pregnancy. Otherwise, very infrequent scanning needs to be done. I hope this video was helpful in taking away some of your apprehensions, and if you have any comment, please write it down in the comment box. We will get back to you. Stay healthy, stay safe.